the grand champion for today, this dessert, everybody unanimously just went nuts. Most of the plates were empty by the end of it. The award goes to...
Making a black cherry Pop-Tart bar, so it's going to be like inspired of your old style Pop-Tart.
Blueberry ice cream cake with some candied orange, and it's gonna have like a blueberry syrup.
The idea to have a collaboration with Fleming College where we brought our ice cream to campus here, and we got the students to come up with kind of unique and interesting recipe ideas. So it's kind of a blend between creating value for our customers and also creating a valuable experience with the students here to kind of work with a vendor and try to create profitable recipes and interesting recipes out of existing products.
Well, one of the ones, collaboration and partnerships really go a long way. We were very lucky that Mike and I have worked on a project before, and so he reached out to us, and it was a great idea, and the company was behind him 100%. So anytime we can partner with companies out there and do stuff like this where we're creating recipes that they can take back to their market is a win-win. The students, they were given a challenge about 2 weeks ago. They had to create a recipe, submit the recipe, and then we ordered all the products, and today they're creating what they wanted to make.
I'm making a cherry choco ice cream taco.
Strawberry shrew cheesecake ice cream.
I'm making a blueberry jam filling to go into 2 pies to put around a blueberry ice cream.
And the grand champion for today, this dessert, everybody unanimously just went nuts. Most of the plates were empty by the end of it. The award goes to Simone.